Om Shanti. Today Murli 15 November 2020. Today's heading line, Sign of the Karmatit stage. Today Avyakt Bap Dada has come to meet his children who have received the blessing. May you have the Avyakt stage and the Avyakt angels. It is only once throughout the whole cycle at this confluence is that these अव्यक्त meetings takes place. इसी बाबा कहते हैं इसी सृष्टि के समय में संगम युग में ये बाबा का अव्यक्त मिलन होता है. There will be meetings of deities in the golden age, but the अव्यक्त meeting of the angels only takes place at this time. The incorporeal Father also celebrate a meeting through Avyakt Father Brahma. The incorporeal one deeply loves his gathering of angels. This is why he leaves his land and come to the subtle and corporeal worlds to celebrate a meeting with you. बाबा परम धाम छोड़कर यहाँ हम बच्चों से मिलने आता है. बिकॉज ऑफ द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ लव ऑफ द एंजेलिक चिल्ड्रन, द फादर also has to change his form and dress and come into the children's world. This confluence is a very unique and lovely world of the Father and the children. Love is the greatest power that attracts. It binds the Supreme Soul who is free from bondage and free from a body with the bond of love. बाबा जो अशरीरी हैं लेकिन प्यार के बंधन में वो भी बंध जाता है. It makes the bodiless one become a bodily being with the loan of a body. This is practical proof of the children's love. This is the day on which the rivers of love of many children from everywhere merge with the ocean of love. Children says, we have to come to meet Bap Dada. Have the children come to meet the Father? Or is it that the Father has come to meet you children? Or have both come to Madhuban to meet one another? Children have come to bathe in the ocean of love, but the Father come to bathe in the thousand of Gangas. This is why the Mela of ocean and the Ganga is a unique one. You merge with the ocean of love and become like the ocean. This day is called the day of become equal to Father, the day of remembrance. That is the day of power. Why? This day is the memorial of Father Brahma becoming complete, perfect and equal to the Father. A child and the Father Brahma, because Brahma is a child and also a father. On this day, Brahma gave the proof of being a worthy child in the form of love. He gave the proof of becoming equal. He gave the proof of being extremely loving and totally detached. He gave the proof of being karmatit, equal to the Father. That is, he gave the proof of being free from any bondage of karma like the Father. He gave the proof of being free from any karmic account of action performed through the whole cycle. So this Murli is from 18 January 87. Today's Vardhan Baba says, may you become complete and perfect and equal to the Father by finishing all the old account and by putting on the new cloth of a new sanskar. On Deepavali, people wear new clothes. In the same way, in this new birth of dying alive, celebrate the new year by wearing the cloth of new sanskar. Whatever old accounts of your weakness, defects, lack of strength, and sensitivity that still remain, finish all of those and celebrate true Deepavali in this new birth, imbibe new sanskar, and you will be equal to the Father. बाबा ने यही कहा, जैसे नए कपड़े पहनते हैं तो अब नए संस्कार धारण करो और बाबा समान बन जाओ। स्लोगन है, accumulate the treasure of pure thoughts and your time will not be waste in waste thoughts. ओम शांति।